One more? One more, Yan Yan? You're so good.
Twice. It's a double bump.
I'm jumping on the trampoline.
And jumping on the trampoline.
Is it
I
nice?
forgot to push the trampoline.
Oh. That's twice.
Yan Yan, are you having fun? Oops. Is it fun, Yan Yan?
Yeah.
How about you lie down? You land when you like, ooh, like that.
Okay, that's hard.
That's hard?
No,
Ooh.
I can jump in this line. And this, and 2 lines.
Oh, the shadow lines.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's high. That's high.
Alright.
Oh, I do the split and stand up.
Yeah. Careful, ah. You might hurt yourself.